Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing about the Dart commits. The Dart have three types of commits: single line commit, multi-line commit, document commit. Single line commit are those type of commit which commit only single line. Like that we are commenting the print statement. I write the simple print statement. Dart this is a single line comment. When I run the program, this single line print is shown. When I apply the single line comment are applied with the forward slash. Double forward slash, put the double forward slash in the beginning of the line, the single line comment will be applied. I run the program again, this single line comment is not shown. Why? Because I put the single line comment. Multiple line comment, this comment is used to comment the multiple line. Like that we have multiple line of a program which we want to comment and use it further in future. We comment it, not erase it. This multi-line comment is used at that time. Multi-line comment we use the forward slash and asterisk in the at the start point, and at the end of the program we put the asterisk begin and forward slash. Here we put the line of code. This I write the three line. These line cannot be print and the program cannot be show when a program run. I run the program, these three line cannot be shown. When I copy this line and save the time. I raise the forward slash in the beginning. I multiple line comment. I duplicate this line and save the program and run this. Run. You can see I have this program print the 4 line. This is a multiple line. When I try to comment the multiple line, put the forward slash where I start to comment, and after the forward slash put the asterisk where you want to comment. At the end of the line where you want to comment, put the asterisk before asterisk and forward slash and run this. I comment only 3 line, 1 line is remaining. When I run this program, only 1 line print. This is a multiple line. As you show, these 3 line are commented. When I try to comment whole 4th line, I put the asterisk and forward slash run. Whole all the 4 line are commented. The third type of the comment is documented commented. In the Dart programming, Dart have 2 type of document commenting. like C sharp and Java. In like C sharp, we put the 3 forward slash, and this is a C sharp example. If we want to and the second is Java. In the Java we put the forward slash, after the forward slash put the static, double static. This static is used where we want to begin the comment. At the end of where we want to comment, we put the static and forward slash. This is a Java type example, JavaDoc example. I write the example where you want to test you. I copy above the code and print here. In doc type comment, the third is I run the program again, and you will see 3 lines are printed. This is a doc comment, this is a doc type comment, this is a doc type comment. When I comment this program, put the show you example of a Java doc comment, put the forward slash, double static. At the end we want to close the comment, put the static and forward slash. Please note these 3 lines will be commented when I run the program. Oh, you can see 3 lines are commented. I show you example of C sharp, like C sharp doc type commenting. This is C sharp doc type commenting is put the 3 line forward line before that line, put the 3 forward slash line before that you want to comment. Woo. You can see 3 type of commenting: single line comment, multi-line comment, and doc type comment. Single line comment is used to comment the single line. Multi-line comment is used to comment the whole function, whole paragraph, whole method. And doc type comment is like as the same multi-line comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.